working with Czech land registry data and ran into a VYK file? This is cadastral data from the Czech Republic's property registration system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these GEPRO MISYS data files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure VYK formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. VYK files are cadastral exchange files used by GEPRO MISYS Geographic Information System software in the Czech Republic for property and land registry data. They contain parcel boundaries, ownership information, building footprints, and surveying data exchanged between the Czech cadastre office and GIS applications. VYK files use a structured text format defined by the Czech cadastre office for VFK and VYK exchange data, containing parcel, polygons, coordinate points, building outlines, ownership records, and administrative boundaries. The format includes attribute data, linking spatial features to legal property records, following Czech surveying standards. The core professional tool for handling the VYK format is MISYS from GEPRO SPOL. SRO. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows cannot open interactive maps or spatial datasets, so compatible software must handle them. We're testing the system's interpretation of the file's data. Right-click the VYK file and click Open With. Test MISYS first. If it's unavailable, choose another program. The right tool is key. When a VYK file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The source is most likely one of three common issues. Let's review this simple breakdown of the culprits and how to quickly check them. First, opening in MISYS. Install GEPRO MISYS GIS software, which natively handles VYK files in the Czech cadastral data exchange format. Launch MISYS and use the import function to load the VYK file. The software displays parcels, buildings, and ownership data, with full cadastral attribute information and topology validation. Next, converting to Standard GIS. Use VFK2 SHP or similar Czech GIS conversion tools to translate VYK files to shapefile format compatible with QGIS, ArcGIS, and other mainstream GIS software. The converted shapefiles preserve geometry and attributes, enabling analysis in standard GIS workflows without requiring specialized Czech cadastral software like MISYS. Finally, importing into QGIS. QGIS supports Czech VFK format through plugins available in the QGIS plugin repository. Install the VFK Reader plugin and use it to load VYK files directly into QGIS. The plugin parses cadastral data presenting parcels and buildings as standard GIS layers, ready for visualization, analysis, and map production. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.